Subscribe to AAN Creation and press the bell icon for latest videos. Welcome again friends. Although the Chromium version of Microsoft Edge already ships with the Microsoft Defender Smart Screen feature to prevent malicious websites and downloads from hijacking your device, Microsoft is now introducing a new feature to block unwanted apps from downloading using the browser. The security feature has been designed to block unwanted apps that are not necessarily malware, such as toolbars, adware, crypto miner apps, and notification spammers. In this video, you'll learn the steps to enable the feature to block potentially harmful apps from downloading with the Chromium version of Microsoft Edge on Windows 10, the feature that is currently available in the latest Microsoft Edge and Cider channels versions. To block potential harmful app downloads on Microsoft Edge Chromium, use these steps. First, open Microsoft Edge. Next, click the Settings and More three-dotted button on the top right corner, and click on Settings. Next, click on Privacy and Services, and under the Services section, turn on the Block Potentially Unwanted Apps toggle switch. Once you complete the steps, Microsoft Edge will block downloads for apps known to have low reputation, which may cause unexpected behaviors on your Windows 10 device.